Hey, before we start the video, make sure you smash that like right now, thumbs up wherever you're watching it on, and share this out. There's always a share, a way to share it. Help us out. Leave a comment, and if you haven't subscribed or followed us, do it now. Thank you.
Hey, Big Jeff from BigJeffAudio.com with another unboxing. Today we're talking about DD Audio.
This way you can see it before you buy it.
We got DD Audio about 6 months ago. We're all selling it right now on our website, retail, and we're also a distributor. So we sell it to dealers. And one, the stuff's been selling like crazy, and two, there's a good demand for it. There's a lot of faithful DD customers, and part of it is because DD hand makes a lot of this stuff, and two, the quality is incredible. We're talking about a flat sub. This is the 6 series. We are talking about the SL-610 Dual 2. Before I get going, make sure you hit that like button. Share this out. If you're new to the channel, either on YouTube or Facebook, subscribe to us and hit the bell, or follow us on Facebook. And then every time we have unboxings or other videos, you get to see it. We like to show you what you get before you actually buy it. Let's talk about this bad boy. $259. It is a 10-inch. And here's the weird thing, a range of 300 to 600 watts RMS. It means it will work as low as 300, but it will really shine at 600. This is a 2.5-inch voice coil, and it is a dual 2 ohm. Let's go ahead and crack this thing open. All right, so first thing we notice, all DD comes with not just one sticker, but 2 different types of stickers. They have their logo, and then the logo with the audio on it. So that is pretty cool. Then they always box their stuff up real nice. That is the sub, but look how big the box is, and also the styrofoam for shipping. You don't get that a lot of manufacturers to over package their product. I'm gonna put this down on the floor. Really, really cool. One, when you look at DD Audio product, it really doesn't look like every other brand out there, which is really cool. I'm gonna turn on the Big Jeff cam real quick.
Big Jeff cam activated.
There we go. So first thing I want you to look at is their surround, the cone, and this is weird. You don't normally see this. It is stiff. This is all coated. I don't think you'll have an issue with moisture or indoor UV. They have a very thick gasket to help seal the box, and then really cool design, which I've never seen like before. That is what holds down the spider, and I don't know, so I'm not going to imply, but I've seen spiders break away from speakers before, and I just think this design will stop that. Whoops. The other thing we're going to look at is the nice big push terminals here. They're pretty strong. I do like the push terminals. You could probably get 12 gauge in there for sure. If you're using like a ferrule or something, you can probably get a 8 gauge in there. Take a look at the other side here. All right. I love the branding all the way around on the magnet. I mean, it's just a nice looking speaker. Now, you normally wouldn't mount these upside down, but that would just look pretty cool. Let's get some specs off of this. Let's go over here and get a weight real quick. All right. So the subwoofer is 16 pounds, 1 ounce. You probably got another 5 ounces with the box. So we'll just say 17 pounds for shipping. Go back over here. Grab out our measuring tool, which is called a caliber. We got a really nice one here. Let's go ahead and turn this on. Let's get some mounting depth here. All right, so mounting depth is 3 inches. Well, let's see here, just over 3 inches. It's like not even 3 1/4. That is great mounting depth. Overall, diameter 10.10, and let me see if I unload that thing. You're just going to be over 9 inches in the actual cutout. So what do we got to do with this? Well, if you're doing one, it's a dual 2 ohm, so that will get you a 1 ohm load. If you're doing 2, you would raise it up to a 4 ohm load. No, 2 and 2 is 1, 1, 1 is 2. You need a 2 ohm for 2 of them, 1 ohm for 1, or a 4 ohm for 1, because you would go dual 2, wire it in series, and then that would step it up. Okay, took me a second. I heard a brain fart. It is Saturday when we do these videos. Okay, 259. Here's the other thing too. It's hard to see in there, but you have, let me see if I can turn this big Jeff cam back on. You see how the wire connects to the coil? Yeah, you can see that. So that actually goes from under here up through there and then comes out. I'm not sure on the design, but this thing just seems to me to be very strong and secure and not fall apart. So they do have a 200 series, a 500 series, the SL 600, a 600, 700, and 800 series. I know when you get into the 8th and that, they are hand built. The SL is for slim. That is only in the 6 series. They call it the red line. Okay, let's see here. 2.5 inch coil. It's a double layered spider. So there is something in that for sure. Triple layer shallow body cone, 72 ounce magnet, back plate, coil gap venting, which would be the holes up top. And this is an aluminum frame. Okay, so we've sold a lot of these. I've heard people that put 600 on them and say they really open up, and others that stick around the 3/4 range. Let's see some excursion on this. I'm gonna take this over to the bench. Let's get something playing here. Be kind of cool. All right. Our nice bench here. Some of the upgrades we've done for 2024, and we're going to continue. All right, what I'm going to do is we're going to, I got a little black diamond amp here we use for basic testing. We're going to put this into 4 ohms. The way you would do that is take your negative over to your positive here, and then your speaker wire coming from the amplifier will connect to the red, your positive, and then over here. So now what we did is we took 2 ohm and 2 ohm, we made this 4 ohm, which is really cool. All right, let's get some power going. And let's get some music on here. Get some non-copyrighted music. Okay. And let me make sure I got the amp in low pass. There we go. All right, we got the camera here. We got us watching here. Let's see if that amp even has enough power. Okay, so that amp ain't even pushing out 100 watts. It's moving it pretty good. I can feel the air from underneath, so it is venting like it says. Keep that coil cool. So this is only 100 watts going to this, and it's moving it pretty good. So I think you'd be safe with 300 watts for sure. Let's see if this amp will do. I'm going to try something. Black Diamond has pressed me before with me. We're going to go ahead and Why don't I do this? I got an idea. We're going to drop this down to the 1 ohm. I want to see if this amp will do that and if it'll put out much more power. So what we're doing now is we're doing this not in series. We're doing this in parallel. We're dropping this down to 1 ohm. Now it'll either shut this amp down because this is a 4-channel we're using. I think it's only 4 ohms bridged. But let's see if we get some juice out of this. All right, so now we are 2 ohm and 2 ohm equals 1 ohm. Just a quick change up in the wiring. And here we go. Oh yeah. Definitely popping that amp. Okay, so you can see it really moving now. That amp's probably pushing out maybe 200 watts. Get to the next track. But it's not staying on. Go Black Diamond, man. Go Black Diamond. Yeah, I mean, this thing's moving it. Go Black Diamond. We're playing 1 ohm right now. Probably about 200 watts, if that. Moving that sub pretty good. So getting this on a real RMS amp, I do not think you'll be disappointed. There's a huge amount of air being moved, and also, let's go ahead and disconnect this. Shut the amp off. Okay, go Black Diamond, man. 1 ohm on a 4-channel mono. Crazy. Okay, so here we are. This is the SL610D2. Awesome shallow mount or flat sub, whatever you want to call it. Has a venting system to keep the coil cool. You can see over there, 100 watts was making this thing move. 200 made it move even more. Even at 300 above, this thing should be quaking. We have all the specs on our website. You can also go to ddaudio.com. They'll help you build boxes and everything else. Really cool unboxing, $259 at bigjeffaudio.com. Check this out. Let us know what you think. Leave a comment. Please like and share. And if you haven't done so, subscribe, hit that bell, or follow us on Facebook. I'm Big Jeff from bigjeffaudio.com with another unboxing, DD Audio. I'll see you next time.